guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this pink and blue aesthetic eye makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, it's very simple, easy and quick to do. So if you want to know how I got this look right here, then please continue watching. So first I'm going to use two palettes for this video. So the first one is going to be the SFR, it's my pleasure palette, and the second one is going to be the Nikake New York matte colors 23 perfect shades. So I'm going to use this, and out of the Nikake palette I'm going to use this blue shade right here, this one, and for the pink one I'll rather use from the Nikake one, or I'll either use from the SFR color palette. So out of that I'm going to use this shade, which is Fan Fiction. So I'm going to use this. So first I'm going to apply concealer on my eyelids, and I'm going to start with Fan Fiction. Going to apply the pink shadow only on my lid. I'm not going to make a wing outside, so I'm going to do the same pink lid on my other eye, and then I'm going to make a liner with the blue eyeshadow, and then for my inner corners I'm going to use another eyeshadow. So it's going to be like very aesthetic pink and blue eyeshadow, so it's going to look super good. So I'm done applying on both the lids. So now I'm going to move on to the blue eyeshadow, and basically what I'm going to do with the blue one is that I'm going to make an eyeliner with it. So I'm going to apply this one right here. So I'm going to make a liner, probably a wing liner or a normal one. So now I'm going to apply this very light pinkish shimmery shade in the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm going to apply the same just right below the blue liner that I applied. So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.